So Louisiana is known for its swampland, and some of the owners of the swamps give tours on airboats.
If you're unfamiliar with what an airboat is, it's basically a flat bottom boat propelled by a giant fan that allows it to go through water or land.
So today we're at McGee's Swamp Tours and we're about to head out. 3 million acres of wetlands contribute to the uniqueness of Louisiana. And since their state reptile is the alligator and one of their unofficial nicknames is the Bayou State, there's no better way to experience authentic Louisiana than an up-close and personal swamp tour.
Welcome to McGee's Airboat Tour. My name is Armin. I'm going to be the guy that's going to take you all up this morning.
Nice!
Yeah, that was fun.
This is Mary Catherine's first vlog dronage.
Yeah,
right here.
Like Louisiana, like I got my drone license and this is my first trip to fly. I've flown the drone before this trip, but this is my first like 50 states tour vlog trip.
If you like the drone shots, let her know in the comments.
And if you don't, just don't tell me this time.
Today we're going out into the swamp. Who's to say that engine don't break down on us? What we're gonna do, y'all?
Sleep in the swamp.
Oh, I'm not sleeping out here.
McGee's Swamp Tours near Henderson made it fun, safe, and entertaining to learn all about the swamp, some Louisiana state history, and to learn about the wildlife that inhabit this area. Plus, if you are visiting during warmer months, unlike we did, you will likely get to see alligators as you tour the swamp.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
The last thing that we want to do before we leave Louisiana is try crawfish. And Katrina, back at McGee's Swamp Tours, said this is the place to come. Crawfish Town, USA. I think we're in the right place. The seafood smell just hits you in the face.
Our waitress just sat this basket of bread in front of us, and I took a bite, not even thinking anything. This is some of the best bread that I've ever eaten. I have no idea what's on it. Definitely butter, but then there's also some other kind of seasoning on it. It's so good. If our crawfish tastes anything like this, it's gonna be amazing. I would come here just for the bread.
We learned how to peel these. I have never had crawfish until today. Look at this. It has eyes still. That's crazy. All right, but it's very, very similar to a shrimp. So I'll show you. Pinch, twisted the tail, and pulled it out. Take the first couple of scales here and peel them back. And then just pinch out the rest of the meat. And then you eat it. It's so good. It's a lot like shrimp. It really is. It's a whole lot like shrimp. She also said that some people will dig into the head and pull meat out, and some of them pull it out, they put it on bread, and then they eat it like that. But other people suck it out. But she didn't show us how to do that, and she said she doesn't do that, so I'm not gonna do it. I just tried that one with crawfish sauce. Wow. It hits you. Okay, she said it's mayonnaise and ketchup, and they put some other stuff in it sometimes, just depending on who makes it, like vinegar, garlic, and Worcestershire sauce. But there's some variations depending on who makes it, and that was good. It's a little bit spicy, and I like that. Never have I ever eaten food that is staring back at me.
All right, let's see if I follow directions correctly. A little bit of sauce. That's so good. That's a lot of work, but it's so good. I just took one of these and just threw it in my mouth. This is a onion. It is spicy. We were curious as to what the spicy crawfish would taste like. We ordered the original. So I asked our waitress and she brought out the seasoning that they season the spicy crawfish in. Said you can try it and see what you think. So I'm gonna dip this in here really nicely. There's like a period where you're like, oh, I can do this, and then it's just like right in your face. It's so good though. You need to try it. Oh my gosh, it's still coming. You gotta eat this bread to put the fire out.
Oh, I just like dunked it. Okay. I literally told TJ, I was like, I want the authentic experience. Like, I want my ears burning. I hear that's what happens. My lips burning between the onions and that. My ears are burning. It's so good, though. I like it. I like it a lot. This was incredible. It was so good. It was a lot of work, but it was really good.
Just for reference, we ate 4 pounds, so 2 pounds each. It's like typical for one person to eat this much.
I'm like full. Like, I don't know how I would eat more, but I got up and went to the bathroom a little bit ago but it's across the restaurant and there was like so many people eating this much by themselves.
Somebody just came out of nowhere and dropped this on our table. Unrequested, but you bet we're taking this home. Well, it won't fit. I guess I have to eat some now. That was the perfect ending to our time in Louisiana. Probably the most Cajun experience that we've had.
Yeah, it really was. But now it's time to hit the road. We just passed a water tower for this town called Bow Bridge, I think is how you would pronounce it. And the water tower said that they are the crawfish capital of the world. We're literally less than 5 minutes from the restaurant that we were just at, so.
How cool is that?
No wonder that restaurant was called Crawfish Town, USA. That makes so much sense. That's awesome. I feel even better about eating crawfish there now. How fun.
Now you should get a close-up of me doing that.
Hold on. My head hurts.
Mine does too.
Do you want some medicine?
No.
I have to move these beads. Mardi Gras!